stop comparing yourselves with others, and let's talk about more important things that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourself, because you are the leader of your life. You are the voice of your
Your skill, your talent, that makes you the hero. So I think a person should be recognized on the basis of his or her talent rather than being just famous. So it's about how talented you are from inside.
Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. What does it mean to you?
I think it's not only about wearing the crown, it's about creating your crown and being more responsible towards the duties that comes along with the crown. So you should be more grateful and responsible to bring those duties back and be inspiring and do something for the society.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what is the importance of money in your life?
I personally think that being spiritual and materialistic, it's very important to balance both the things. So I would like to give it 5.5.
Out of 10?
Yeah, because
Okay.
rest is all about your talent and being a little bit spiritual, because that's very important for you to balance both the things.
Would you live in a small house with an amazing view, or a massive mansion in a subdivision?
Small house with an amazing view, because I think it's not the walls who decide the vibes, it's about us. So for me, it's not about the home needs to be very pretty or modern, it's about the people who are living in that home.
Well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. To know that you are unique and that's what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourselves with others, and let's talk about more important things that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourself, because you are the leader of your life. You are the voice of your own. I believed in myself, and that's why I'm standing here today. Thank you.